Amigos Chinitos, today it has arrived the day to surprise Amiga Chinita.
Hi guys! Welcome to my beautiful channel. This is your beautiful Amiga Chinita. Charot! So guys, finally the precious ring light has arrived. So we are going to unbox. Okay. I hope that this will gain more viewers and subscribers. Ay, qué grande. The box is grande. El cartón es muy grande. Ay, pucha. Only the box. And another box. How? Bebe. Tadan! How to open this fragile? Mahirap maging ignorante. I think it's like this. Ah, yeah, it's like this. Another box. Ay, you're sweating. I think it's... One. Wow, so siya, yayamanin. So this is the brand that we have chosen from Amazon. And see this one. We have, I think, 2 lights. I've read so many good reviews from this brand. So, yeah. This is expendable, the holder, and I think this one is, this is the charger or the
To connect to the light.
connect, yes. And social, they have this, So I'm going to open this and the bag. I don't know what's in. Ah, shit. Maybe the light is here. I should be careful. It's so short. Antara, yayamanin. I should be very, very careful with this. Ah, it's like this. Oh, look at this. We should be careful. They said that this is the instruction. What else is inside? I love the bag. It's like laptop bag. It's cute. That's why it's anyway, it's not cheap, How much did you buy it? 65 or 70?
65. Yes,
it's lesser now because I think before it was 80 or something and it became 79 and now it's 65. So I think it's a perfect buy. Perfect. That's perfect. Good job. Yeah. Just perfect. And this is the stand, I think. Yes, now we need our brain cells to work on how to assemble this. Oh my god, this is my first time and we have a spare room to be my studio. Char! It's nice. It's good quality. It's not like you know, plastic. This is really good quality, huh? For 65 euros, it's not bad at all. It's nice quality, baby. So we'll see, guys. So soon you will see our live. Join us in our live. Vamos, guys. We will assemble this now. So I'm going to show you how we assembled it, but later. Okay, baby love. See, I will be like her with light. Vamos.
Positivo en coronavirus, esta calle va tomando otra sensación.
Nice.
Va a salir y entrar a
Perfecto.
que han recuperado.
El conejo finally assembled.
Thank you, mi bebe. Thank you, Amigo Chinito. Next time, microphone and headset. Yes, next time is best camera. Anyway, it's okay now. Thank you. Now this one. This is the perfect one. Is it okay? It's like that, no?
Okay.
It's like this. It's more, less, and more. Ah, it's
Oh,
good.
it's
Las autoridades catalanas dijeron que iban
Amigo Chinitos, today it has arrived today to surprise Amiga Chinita. We're going to give her new tools, so she can make better videos because she's complaining that her phone is always full memory because it's shitty, only 32 gigs, and we are going to improve her tools for her channel. Amiga Cone, what are you doing?
Having my breakfast. Almorzar.
Almorzar?
Ah.
What is almorzar? Almorzar?
Almorzar or almusal?
Almorzar.
Almorzar. Almusal in Tagalog. Almorzar. Breakfast.
What is this, okay?
What is that?
What
Maybe, you know, my panty?
What
It's
is
a
that,
panty?
okay?
It's a panty?
Bra, new bra.
Did you buy me a bra? Thank you.
What is that, okay?
Why did you put here? I die.
What is that, Amiga Cone?
Oh my god! This is too much! Oh my god, I didn't expect this. Is it my birthday? My birthday was in March.
That is for your birthday, for our anniversary, and for Christmas. All together, present.
Okay, no problem.
Hmm?
Guys, I have a new phone and it's so much. So much. And I have now 128 GB capacity, which I only had half
32.
before, 32 GB. And this one is too much. I can vlog more now. Yay! Muchas gracias. Muchísimas gracias, bebe. I love you.
Now you
Te quiero
can
mucho.
vlog properly, okay? And you don't need to take my phone all the time.
Opo, hindi na nga eh. How to open this, baby love?
I don't know, okay? I never have iPhone. You are iPhone.
I love the color. The color is light violet or
Yeah, something like that.
I have to remove this like this.
I don't know, okay?
And I don't want to. Okay, I will remove this like this.
Looks like it
It's
like
like that. My goodness, que tonta. Yes, guys, we're going to unbox this beautiful iPhone 11. And this is too much for me because I never or didn't expect this because I was thinking to save money from my YouTube salary, but Amigo Chinito surprised me with this. So beautiful!
Because your salary is too low to pay this.
Slowly, I just started, you know. started to be to be monetized. Oh my god. This
It's
is
very nice the color,
too
no?
much. It's very nice. Very nice.
I
Look.
think we need to buy cover transparent so the color can be seen.
Oh my god. I love this.
Hmm?
This looks like my phone before. I mean, I lost a phone. Someone stole it from on the metro
In Madrid.
in Madrid, yes. And these are, I think, just instruction.
Yes.
Look at this. Look at
Sticker.
this, baby lang.
Ciao. Hola.
Ciao is hola. Ciao is bye, right?
I thought, but looks like no.
Yeah, ciao is ciao, bye. But I don't know, hola. Hola? What is from?
I don't know.
I don't
Portuguese?
know. Maybe, yes. Oh, only that. Oh, this one is here. It's hiding here.
Mm.
Mm.
Yeah. You
It's
need
good that I opened it, or else I will look for it. But I have one.
My sister they couldn't find the pin for opening the Samsung of my mom.
Ah, see?
I had to touch her.
This one. So it's here. I'm not going to open it later. And I thought the earpods are
Wireless?
different. Wireless.
For that you had to pay extra money, you know.
I was expecting too much, This
The-
one.
you are
and
dealing
this
with
one.
the Apple company, so
Only this. My God, I thought there is something else like 100 euros more. So guys, this is
Charger.
Yes, I have one of this. So
you have to.
now my nephew is going to be so much happy because I'm going to give him my iPhone 7, which now Amigo Chinito is using for recording me. And I'm so happy. Thank you so much because this is really unexpected. I wasn't expected anything from Amigo Chinito as we are not very rich. We are only rich, but not very rich. But
Rich.
soon we are going to be very rich.
We are rich
Charot.
only in love.
Yes, rich in love. But at least we're rich,
Mm.
Is this big or what, baby love?
Looks like almost big like mine. You can compare with mine, is that?
Yeah.
But I think it doesn't worth to buy the Max.
Yes.
It's almost the same big as mine, and my Samsung is the S10 Plus.
10 plus.
That is the bigger.
Yeah. Oh my god, this is my first time to have this big iPhone. Anyway, no, I think I have I have an iPhone 6 and I think that one is same this. I don't know, I don't remember. Oh, baby love, I have so many So, thank you so much, Amigo Chinito. Thank you, bebe. Muchas gracias.
Welcome,
Muchas
Kona.
gracias. Wait, I'm going to return. How to return this? I don't know.
Alright.
Ay, ganito. Ay, hindi. Ganito pala. Baliktad. Baliktad yata, bebe. It's like this?
No.
It's like this. Yes. And this one. Here inside.
Now it's time to cut the video and transfer from phone to phone.
Yes. I need to charge first, right? It's like this, no?
Maybe.
Baby love, no? It's like this.
Yeah, it came like that. Color is really nice, huh? It fits on you so much. Oh, here,
Thank you. So, I have gift now for our anniversary.
Christmas. Birthday.
Christmas and birthday, my goodness.
Anyway, it's still expensive for 3 things, you know.
For me, it doesn't matter, I'm not expecting anything,
For some
I already
people-
have so many things. And
For some people, this is not expensive, but for
actually,
us, it's
guys,
expensive.
all I want is something for my vlog to be more nicer. That's why I want a quality phone or camera and also the ring light. Those are the most important. And this one is nice also. But of course, next time is the camera and I don't know what
Camera?
else. Huh?
It has 2 cameras.
Yes, I mean, the camera is for different things. So, that would be next time. Anyway, guys, thank you for joining us to unbox and to unbox my surprise gift from Amigo Chinito. Bye, guys!
Bye bye.